Welcome back to another explainer. Okay, today we are breaking down the absolute latest Prim.io system update. And honestly, if you're using this ERP to run your day-to-day business, you're going to want to pay very close attention to this one. We're talking about a massive leap into smart automation, specifically designed to take all that heavy, repetitive lifting right off your plate, so your team can actually focus on growth.
So I want you to just think about this for a second. Are you completely tired of manually entering expense invoices? I mean, sitting there, right? Squinting at some coffee-stained PDF or a blurry photo of a receipt and painstakingly typing row after row of data into the system. It's like the universal pain point of accounting teams everywhere. It drains your time, it drains your energy, and frankly, it's just so prone to human error. Well, what if I told you those days are officially numbered because AI is stepping in?
All right, here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We're looking at 1. AI invoice automation, 2. Financial enhancements, 3. Logistics processes, and 4. Integrations and communications. Let's just dive right in.
Starting off with Section 1, AI invoice automation. This is where things get really smart and effortless.
So this first feature brings a massive change to your daily workday. The goal? Completely eliminating manual logging. It's officially called AI recognition. Basically, it's a new built-in feature that automates the processing of your expense invoices using artificial intelligence. To get specific here, this works exclusively for standalone or, what we sometimes call flying expense invoices. Those are the day-to-day invoices that aren't already linked to a pre-existing purchase order in your system. Instead of typing them all out, you literally just let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Let's look at exactly how this magic happens.
The whole process is wonderfully effortless. Step 1, you simply upload a file. That could be a PDF, a zip archive, or honestly, even just a photo of the invoice from your phone. Step 2, the AI immediately goes to work. It scans the document, automatically extracts the basic data, reads the individual rows, and pulls all that critical financial info. It even does its own internal verifications to figure out how confident it is in the data it just read. And then step 3, based on the rules you've already configured, the system automatically assigns a status to that invoice. Just like that, an entire manual chore is knocked out in seconds.
But wait, it gets even better. What if you didn't even have to upload the file manually in the first place? This new functionality actually supports automatic invoice imports directly from your email via an integration. So if your vendors are emailing invoices straight to your inbox, the AI can securely pull them, scan them, extract the data, and log them into your ERP without a single click from you. I mean, that is literally the definition of smart automation. Now, just one quick detail to keep in mind here. Because this AI recognition is in an active beta phase, and it's constantly being developed and improved, there's currently a limit of processing 200 documents per month. But hey, if your business operations require a higher volume, no worries at all. You can just reach out to the support team to discuss bumping up that limit. All right, moving right along to Section 2, Financial Enhancements and Sales. This is all about smarter tracking.
Behind the scenes, the system is getting a lot smarter to protect your data integrity and make reporting an absolute breeze. First up, in the sales module, we've got some fantastic updates. The sales report now includes brand new columns for supplier code and supplier. Now, why does this matter? Well, it makes filtering and analyzing your data by specific suppliers incredibly easy. Second, and this is a huge win for your accounting team, advance expense documents are now completely hidden in the sales expenses and delivery expenses menus. This is a super smart tweak that prevents anyone from accidentally allocating the exact same cost twice.
Okay, let's take a look at how document numbering is changing for the better. Historically, cash receipts and bank credit documents might share the exact same fiscal number, right? Like 0000123. That could obviously make visual identification kind of tricky. But the new system allows you to add custom, unique prefixes up to 16 characters long for each cash register. So you can instantly distinguish a cash receipt labeled, say, KB-000123 from a cash order labeled PKO-000123. The core fiscal number doesn't change, but your ability to organize them totally does. Oh, and yes, reversal documents automatically inherit these new prefixes too.
Rounding out the finance updates, we have greatly enhanced payment tracking. There is a new payment account field in incoming financial documents that clearly displays the exact cash register or till that was used. Plus, you'll see a new fiscal device field popping up across sales, incoming docs, and payments. For an accounting team, this is huge. Tracking down exactly where, how, and through which specific device a payment was processed is now incredibly straightforward. Honestly, no more guessing games.
Okay, let's jump into Section 3, Logistics Processes. Some really nice warehouse updates here.
These are essential quality-of-life improvements for your warehouse that really continue to build on that whole theme of smart automation. In the warehouse and services areas, you now have the option to use free quantities instead of just available quantities when executing a warehouse loading operation, and the system will automatically recalculate the needed amounts. This is a total lifesaver because it prevents accidental stock conflicts if quantities are available but, already reserved for something else. Also, your service request lists now feature incoming and outgoing columns. This means you can instantly see any connected deliveries and waybills right there on the main screen without even having to click into the request.
There is also a major cleanup happening in the warehouse terminology and operations. So with the upcoming August update, the older scrap and expedition for scrap operations are officially retiring. The new standard is migrating everything over to write-off for internal needs and expedition for internal needs. This just provides much better operational clarity across the board. But you might be asking right now, wait, what happens to all my old data? While there is absolutely no need to panic about your historical data, Prim.io provides a built-in auto-conversion tool. This tool perfectly retains your existing document numbers, dates, accounting entries, and your stock levels. Literally, all it changes is the document type to the new standard, and it safely adds the chosen expense category, so your historical accounting data and stock levels, they remain completely untouched and 100% accurate.
Let's shift over to Section 4, our final section, Integrations and Communications, all about those client connections.
An ERP system is really only as good as how well it talks to the outside world, right? Check out this new custom SMTP setting. You can now set up a visible sender or a custom from address. And this solves a very, very common everyday scenario. Let's say your system authenticates to your email server using a highly technical behind-the-scenes email address, like, smtp-erp@yourcompany.com. You definitely don't want your clients seeing that. Now, you can still authenticate with that tech email, but ensure your clients receive the invoices from a friendly, specific department address, like accounting@yourcompany.com.
Just a really quick technical heads up for those of you utilizing Microsoft 365 or Outlook to handle your company emails. To make this custom visible sender feature work seamlessly, your IT administrator will need to jump in and ensure that the authenticating account actually has the Send As permissions configured for that visible address. It's a quick fix on the Microsoft side, but it is absolutely essential for a smooth setup.
And this next one brilliantly illustrates exactly what we mean by smart automation. For businesses utilizing the Scrouts integration, the moment a waybill is created or printed, the ERP now checks if a financial document exists for that sale. If it does, the system automatically sends and attaches that financial document straight to the Scrouts platform. Your client can access it immediately. No manual downloading, no manual uploading, no extra clicking required whatsoever. It literally just works.
From AI instantly reading and logging your invoices, to smarter financial tracking, to automated document delivery to your clients, this entire update is focused on one thing: giving you your time back. So I'm going to leave you with this question. How do you plan to utilize the hours saved by this new AI automation? Challenge your team to take advantage of these features. Get rid of the manual busy work and focus on the big picture. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.